France, UK pledge new air defence tools for Ukraine. The French president said Russia had moved into a unprecedented phase of the war, with a wave of airstrikes aimed at civilians and essential infrastructure. France and the United Kingdom announced they will deliver air defence tools to Ukraine, including missiles, in the coming weeks. During an interview with French TV channel France 2 on Wednesday, French President Emmanuel Macron said France is intensifying its help in the wake of recent Russian airstrikes on Ukraine. Everywhere on Ukrainian soil, civilians have been killed in intense bombings, and electricity and heating systems have been hit. Russia's objective is very clearly to break the Ukrainian resistance, he said. We're going to deliver radars, systems and missiles to protect them from these attacks, particularly from drone attacks. The UK government later said in a statement in the early hours of Thursday that it will also donate cutting-edge air defence missiles to Ukraine which can help protect against Russian missile strikes. Russia's latest indiscriminate strikes on civilian areas in Ukraine warrant further support to those seeking to defend their nation, British Defence Secretary Ben Wallace said in the statement. The pledges from Paris and London follow similar announcements from the US and Germany this week. On Monday, Russian forces retaliated after an explosion on a key bridge between Russia and Crimea with a wave of missile strikes across the country. Following the strikes, Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky appealed to countries to strengthen the response to Russia's Vladimir Putin, and help boost Ukraine's air defense systems. The UK said its AMRAAM rockets can be used with the NASAMS air defence systems pledged by the US, and are the first donated by the UK that are capable of shooting down cruise missiles. It will also send hundreds of additional air defence missiles, of other types previously provided, as part of its package, along with hundreds of more aerial drones, and a further 18 howitzer artillery guns, on top of the 64 already sent. The French president confirmed that 6 new Caesars cannons, French truck-mounted howitzers, would be sent to Ukraine, in addition to 18 cannons already delivered, which had been decisive in the Donbass, according to Macron. The new cannons would be taken from a delivery originally intended for Denmark. On Wednesday, the Ukrainian Defense Ministry released a mock romantic video asking France to send more cannons instead of flowers and chocolate, to win their hearts, a message Macron said he had found very moving. France has been under pressure to increase arms donations to Ukraine, after international ratings showed France, one of Europe's defense heavyweights, lagging behind other EU member states. In the same interview, the French president confirmed that French armed forces were involved in occasional training schemes in Ukraine but were not fighting alongside Ukrainians.